Hey guys, if you decide to use Facebook as your main method to promote the OLSP system, I highly recommend that you should create a bonus page, because you should know our customers, okay? They are already marketers and they want to have bonuses, they want to have more support from people they join with. So this is really important because it can help you to convert people into sales better, and I am here to help you and help your customers. You can also add your customers to our group. Just let me know so I can approve them, and also you can send them this link because I make this for them so that they can follow through to get started. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to show you how to make a bonus page. Okay, so now this is the funnel giveaway, right? So you can just scroll down and you can click on this link to create a system.io account, and after that you can scroll down and you see on the same browser, click this link to import all squeeze pages. Okay, just click on this one. Make sure you already create a system.io account here. Okay, so once you've done that, you will see this is the funnel that I give you for free. Okay, so now you go to the bonus page here. Okay, go to that page, and in here we need to edit this page. What you need to do on this page, first you need to change to your name, then you need to change to your picture. To change the name, you can just play with it. Okay, if you are new, you can just play with it. Just hover your mouse here and you can change the name. And for the picture, you can click here, okay, and you will see on the left side here, look at this. One time, second time, one time, you see it change, and you can click on this uploading button here. Okay, and now you can upload a picture of you. Make sure it's beautiful. Now you can read this one and you can change to your name. Hi, it's your name, right? And in here you can add any bonuses that you want to send to your customers. And this you need to change to your mega link. Okay, so just go back to your OLSP system and copy this link, copy that one, and click on this button here. Now again, one time, second time, one time, and you will see this button setting here. Okay, and you can just put your link in here. And now for this video, you can keep it. Okay, you can keep it the same, and after that you can save changes. Wait for it to save, and then you just click on exit button. Now because you are new, it's not necessary to add a domain here, but if you already have an account, right, you can choose funnel setting and you can change to your domain name. It's way better because sometimes Facebook or Instagram, it will flag the system.io domain, so you need to shorten it with other URL shortener, but I don't know, maybe you get lucky, right? So just try it. Okay, so just click on setting. Okay, go to setting here, and you can go to custom domains on the left. And in here, you can click on these three dots and click on edit subdomain name. And then you can change this to any subdomain name that you want and hit save. So basically, you just, create a page for the bonus that you want to share with people who join you. And for this part, you can remove all of the slug here. Remove it. Okay, so when someone ask for more information, now you can just copy this link and send them. Okay, so this is just optional, it's just my idea and it works well for me, but I work on a higher level. I build a whole funnel. Okay, I already share with you the funnel stuff. It's not really hard, but if you spend time to learn it, it's worth it. Okay, it's worth it, but I gotta say it takes time to learn all of these things. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just work on it, guys. OLSP system works, and I hope you success.